Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing the Hogwarts Legacy PS5 online not connecting issue step by step. Place your PS5 on a flat surface and make sure the PS5 is fully powered on. Start by checking if the PS5 shows any network error messages on screen. Now bring your hands to the back of the PS5 and gently unplug the PS5 LAN or Wi-Fi adapter cables if connected. Reconnect the PS5 network cables firmly to ensure the PS5 has a solid physical connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, move the PS5 slightly away from walls to improve signal strength. On the PS5 controller, press the PS button to open the PS5 settings menu. Go to Network inside the PS5 settings and select Connection Status. Run the test internet connection to see if the PS5 is failing to connect. If the PS5 test shows no internet, restart the PS5 by holding the power button until it beeps twice. Wait for the PS5 to fully shut down and unplug the PS5 power cable. Leave the PS5 unplugged for 15 seconds to clear temporary PS5 network cache. Plug the PS5 power cable back in and turn the PS5 on again. Once the PS5 boots, open the PS5 settings menu again. Go to Network and choose Set up Internet Connection on your PS5. Select your Wi-Fi again and enter the password carefully using the PS5 controller. If you're using LAN, make sure the PS5 LAN light on your router is blinking. Test the PS5 connection again to confirm if the PS5 is online now. If the PS5 still doesn't connect, press Options on the PS5 controller for advanced settings. Scroll down and set DNS manually on the PS5. Enter primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 on your PS5. Enter secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4 on your PS5. Save and test the PS5 network connection again. If Hogwarts Legacy on PS5 still won't connect online, close the game fully. Highlight the game icon and press Options on the PS5 controller. Select Check for Update to make sure your PS5 game files are up to date. If the PS5 game updates, restart the PS5 once more after installation. Go back to the PS5 settings and open Users and Accounts. Scroll to restore licenses on your PS5 and run the restore. Return to network settings on your PS5 again. Choose Set up Internet Connection one more time for a refreshed PS5 profile. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch the PS5 to the 5 GHz band for stronger performance. If using LAN, try a different cable to ensure the PS5 receives stable internet. Restart your router while leaving your PS5 turned off for 30 seconds. Once the router is back, turn on the PS5 again. Launch Hogwarts Legacy on the PS5 to check the online connection. If the PS5 still fails, press the PS button and close the game again. Turn off the PS5 completely by holding the power button for 2 beeps. Press and hold the power button again to enter PS5 safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a cable and select Option 5, Rebuild Database. Wait for the PS5 to rebuild and restart normally. When the PS5 boots, open Settings and run another test internet connection. If the PS5 finally shows internet connected, open Hogwarts Legacy again. Allow the PS5 to sync cloud data before entering online mode. Check if the PS5 now loads online features without error. If not, go back and toggle the PS5's MTU settings to 1473. Test the PS5 connection one more time after saving the MTU change. Now relaunch Hogwarts Legacy on the PS5. Your PS5 should now connect online smoothly for Hogwarts Legacy. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy your game on PS5 without online issues.